Hi all, Matt from Style Factory here. Today I'm going to take you through all the Semrush pricing plans and help you decide which one's right for you. Let's get straight to it. Semrush is an extremely powerful SEO tool which can have a huge impact on the visibility of your website in search results. However, there's no denying it, Semrush is expensive and investing in it can feel a bit scary, particularly if you're a startup without a big budget. So, if you're choosing Semrush as your SEO solution, it's really important to pick the right plan for your needs. That's where this video comes in. I'm going to break down the Semrush pricing structure and highlight the key pros and cons and value for money of each plan. And I'll also show you how to get a special double-length trial of the platform. Just before all that, however, here's my usual invitation to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and click the notifications bell. This helps us out and gives you easy access to lots of great SEO resources. I'd also like to invite you to leave any questions or thoughts about Semrush in the comments section. We read them all and we'll do our best to help. Okay, let's move on. So, there are 4 Semrush plans available. Pro, $129.95 per month. Guru, $249.95 per month. Business, $499.95 per month. Custom. This involves negotiable pricing. If you pay annually, a 16.7% discount is applied to each plan. Let's take a look at each of these pricing options in turn. Semrush Pro. The Pro plan is Semrush's entry-level offering. At $129.95 per month, it gives you the following core features. Domain analytics. These let you see how authoritative your domain or a competitor's is based on how many links there are to it. Keyword research tools. These let you find out how many people are searching for a particular keyword, how hard it will be to rank for it, and what alternative phrases might be worth focusing on instead. Position tracking tools. These let you keep tabs on how your content is performing in search for your target keywords. Site auditing tools. These identify technical changes you can make to your site in order to maximize the chances of it performing well in search results. These features are actually common to all the Semrush plans, but the important thing to note here is each plan caps the access you have to the data these tools provide. The main limits of the Pro plan to be aware of on this front are as follows. The number of reports you can pull. The Pro plan limits you to 3,000 reports per day for domain or keyword analytics. The number of keywords you can track. You can track 500 keywords using the Pro plan. The number of pages you can crawl. When auditing a website, Semrush crawls all the site's pages looking for technical SEO improvements that can be made to it. And on each plan, a limit applies to the number of pages you can crawl per month. On the Pro plan, this is 100,000 overall. The number of projects you can have. Of all the limits applied to the Pro plan, the project limit is probably the most significant. Creating a project means adding a domain to the Semrush dashboard. Doing so lets you access a lot of extra data and functionality, but only relating to that domain. On the Pro plan, you can use Semrush on 5 website projects. When you add a domain to a project, you'll be able to access site auditing, position tracking, backlink auditing, link building, and PPC keyword analysis. Now, this 5 project limit won't be a showstopper if you only intend to use Semrush with a couple of domains. But if, for example, you want to assign a project to your own website, plus several competitor websites, being on the Pro plan may prove challenging. So, is Semrush Pro right for you? Semrush Pro is the best plan for users who are setting up a new business or just starting out in SEO. It gives you a good range of keyword research tools and very generous reporting limits at a competitive price. However, it's really only suitable for working with a small number of websites. If you need to perform SEO on a wider range of domains, it's time to look at the next plan up the pricing ladder. Semrush Guru. I'll come to that in just a moment, but first, a word about the Semrush free trial and how to get an extended, double-length one. Because we're an affiliate partner of Semrush, we are given special links that allow our community to try out the product for free and for a longer period than is normally permitted. If you check the video description, you'll find a link to a special 14-day trial of Semrush Pro. This is twice the length of the standard 7-day trial. Okay, so let's move on to Semrush Guru. Semrush Guru. The next Semrush plan to consider is the Guru plan, which costs $249.95 per month. The first advantage this plan has over Semrush Pro is its considerably more generous reporting and tracking limits. You get access to more domain reports per day, 5,000, more projects, 15, and more keywords to track, 1,500. It also lets you crawl 300,000 web pages per month. But this plan unlocks some important additional SEO features too. A particularly important one is the Content Marketing Platform. This is a suite of tools that helps you craft a content strategy. You can use these tools to find topics to write about, manage content creation tasks, check the SEO potential of content you're working on, and check the originality of your content. Another key difference between this plan and Pro is that it unlocks access to historical data. This lets you, as Semrush puts it, go back in time and gain insights into a website's performance using metrics gathered since 2012. A Google Looker Studio integration is also included with this plan. This allows you to analyze Semrush data in Google's free visual reporting tool. But is Semrush Guru right for you? The Semrush Guru plan is a good option for users who need to work with quite a few websites. If you have multiple SEO clients, it will be a much better fit for you than the Pro plan. It's also a much better plan for those who need content creation tools or to access historical data. Now, let's take a look at the next plan up, Semrush Business. So far, we've looked at Semrush plans that are mainly focused on small business owners. But realistically, if you have a large client roster or need to manage SEO for a significant number of websites, you're going to be better off with the Semrush Business plan, which lets you work on up to 40 projects at once. It also lets you track up to 5,000 keywords and run 10,000 queries per day. And the number of pages you can crawl per month rises to 1 million. All this comes at a high cost, however. $499.95 per month. In terms of features, there are 3 pieces of key functionality to look out for which are missing from the other 2 plans. First, there's Semrush's Product Listing Ads research tools, which allow you to analyze the performance of an advertiser's Google Shopping ad campaigns. Then, there's API access. This gives you access to most of Semrush's APIs, application programming interfaces, allowing you to integrate Semrush into your own applications, widgets, and dashboards, or visualize Semrush data via your own custom interface. Finally, there's the Share of Voice metric. This lets you know the ratio of traffic received to the sum of volumes of your tracked keywords. So, is Semrush Business right for you? Semrush Business is appropriate for users who need to manage SEO for a lot of websites or clients simultaneously, run a very large number of queries and reports daily, and require access to Semrush's APIs. Finally, we have the Semrush Custom plan. The 3 plans we've looked at so far are off-the-shelf options. However, if you have the right sort of business and the right sort of budget, another option is to create a more bespoke plan via Semrush's Custom Plan option. This plan is geared more towards enterprise-level customers than the other ones, and using it will involve a discussion with Semrush about what features you need. You'll then need to negotiate a price for them. But if you go down this route, you can expect premium support, account management, training, bespoke customizations, and access to beta features. Okay, so that's our overview of all the available Semrush plans. But we're not quite done yet. There are a couple of other aspects of Semrush pricing to discuss. The first is user management. An aspect of Semrush pricing which you need to be very aware of involves user management. Semrush plans only come with one user account. If you want to add more seats, you need to pay additional fees. These range from $45 to $100 per user per month, depending on the plan you're on, and can quickly increase your costs. You may also find yourself paying extra for add-ons. In addition to the features we've already discussed, Semrush makes more functionality available via paid-for add-ons. A few of these are available directly from Semrush. For example, the Semrush Trends add-on, which provides advanced competitive analysis and market research features. Semrush also offers an add-on for performing local SEO, along with an agency growth kit that gives you CRM features and lets you list your business in a directory of Semrush certified SEO agencies. There's also an App Center available, which provides an increasing number of add-ons developed by third-party providers. In terms of how much all these add-ons cost, it very much depends on the tools in question, but you can expect to pay about $10 to $200 per month for each one. And that's it, our tour of Semrush pricing. I hope you found this video useful, but there's a lot more to learn about Semrush. Check out the video description for links to a full review of the platform and comparisons between it and other leading SEO tools. Before I go, a reminder to like this video and subscribe to our channel. This supports our work and keeps you up to speed with all our latest SEO and digital marketing content. And finally, do leave any questions you may have about Semrush in the comments. We'll do our best to help.